likes milk? I have a joke about milk. Yeah. Because humans love milk. I need to drink my milk. What's that? Humans love milk. There's so many different kinds of milk. You got like full fat, no fat, semi-skimmed, powdered, pasteurized, condensed. You got like single cream, double cream, clotted cream, ice cream, butter, cheese, buttermilk, yogurt too. If you don't want it from a cow, that's all right. You can go nuts for milk too, man. We got almond milk, cashew milk, soy milk. That's not even a nut. That's a bean. Imagine that. Bean milk. Doesn't have to be Heinz, does it? In fact, if you really wanted to, right? There's no window there, I can't check. It works better if there's ways to check if people are watching. Covert, like, right? You can actually get milk from a cockroach. That's true. Get your phones out, look it up, prove me right. You can fill an entire bucket with cockroach milk and throw it in the face of God. We don't give a fuck, mate. We milk whatever pleases us. What's God gonna do about it? Flood the planet? Mate, we'll fucking race you. We got GMOs, plague vaccines, fills the sky with locusts, insecticide, mate. Fill it with what you like. We'll set the fucking thing on fire. We don't give a fuck, man. We poke holes in the ozone to keep our hair stiff and our fridges cold, right? As we burn the fucking sky to the ground. We're Homo sapiens, motherfucker. Try us.
Across the blend of your